Meaning of imperialist.
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 Imperialist. The term imperialist refers to the actions and policies of a country or entity that seeks to extend its power and control over other countries or territories through force, coercion, or economic domination. Imperialist policies have historically been associated with the exploitation of resources and peoples in colonized regions, as well as the suppression of local cultures and traditions. Such actions have often resulted in violent conflicts and social upheaval, as well as long-lasting economic and political consequences for both the imperialist power and the colonized societies.